Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an SEO business with Moz, complete guide step by step clearly. To start an SEO business with Moz, first, ensure you have a clear understanding of SEO fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Create an account on the Moz website to access their suite of tools. Explore the Moz Pro features to gain insights into keyword rankings, site audits, and competitor analysis. Utilize the Moz Keyword Explorer to identify high-traffic keywords relevant to your niche. Analyze your competitors by using the Link Explorer tool to understand their backlink profile. Develop a business plan outlining your services, target market, and pricing strategy. Consider specializing in a niche area of SEO to differentiate your business from competitors. Build a professional website that showcases your expertise and services. Include case studies or testimonials to enhance credibility. Start creating quality content focused on SEO topics to establish yourself as an authority. Set up social media profiles to promote your services and share valuable insights. Network with other SEO professionals through online forums and local meetups to expand your connections. Offer free consultations or audits to attract initial clients and demonstrate your skills. Use Moz tools to deliver insights and reports to your clients, showcasing the value you provide. Continuously educate yourself by following SEO blogs, joining webinars, and attending industry conferences. Track your progress and adapt your strategies based on performance data and client feedback. With dedication and the right tools, you can build a successful SEO business using Moz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.